What if panindigan ko yung gano'n, no? Madadalaw niyo ba ako sa bar? Pagka nag-regular ako doon mag-gig. Actually, nag-enjoy ako na actually nakakabitin. Nakakabitin kagabi. Kasi late na rin naman nag-start. Happy birthday, Keisha. God bless you. Yes, happy birthday to you. Thank you, Danica. Puro ka ganyan, Ryan. Di ka naman pumupunta sa bar. Teka, ang hina ng kalaban natin eh. Sino bias ko sabihin ni Matic baby girl to? Sino? Sino nga ba? Sige, si Joanna na lang. Hi, AC. Thank you for sharing the live. Popping my chest. Again, guys, sa mga merong pang drop dyan, thank you so much in advance. Thank you, Dex. I'll be no disrespect. Yes, Thank you, Aris. Ate Joy, wag ka talagang mag-cellphone. Nasabi ko sa'yo. I still get jealous. Hi, Em. Thank you. That's why. Thank you, Bing. Thank you, Dex. Wish that we would have posted up. Hi, Ega. Thank you for the rose. Nasa banyo si Bobo. Naglalabas ng samaan ng loob. And I'm puffing my chest. Thank you, Zaira. Share the live, share the live, share the live. Let's go. Thank you, Isha. Thank you, Aris.
Happy birthday to me, featuring.
Thank you, Jaya. Ayan. Chilling lang tayo ngayon. Pause pa nga ako eh. Kailangan lang natin magpakota. Flowers and flower until they bloom. Like the first time living life the day I met you. Hate to think that humans have to die someday. 1,000 years won't do. No one ever fell in love, even though I'm scared to love. Baby, I know the pain is unbearable. There's no way. Pinsalay ka na mada. Binibining may sama ka. Turn Olympics into a bouquet. Naway tila sining something sa'yo. Di na luma. Binibini kong ginto ang kakaluluwa. Gonna keep you like an attache all my life. Na 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 na. Nakakabulol pa to ah. I still kiss you every single day, all my life. color matches to the banana. Voice of an angel like a symphony. The dove, she's a masterpiece. Beautiful. Ano ba yan? Sige, chorus na lang. Fell in love, even though I'm scared to love. Baby, I know the pain is unbearable. There's no way. Pinsalay ikinamada, binibining may salmangka. Captured malindig into a bouquet. Ikaw ay tila sining sa museyong kinaluluma. Pinipini kong ginto hanggang kaluluwa. Gonna keep you my cachet all my life. Thank you, Casey. Thank you. Pigilan ko na nga yan. Ayoko na yan. Hindi ko pala alam. Mayabang lang ako. Ang hirap. May pulmon ako eh. Kaya wala po ako sa Class B bar. Pahinga muna kasi bingin na ako. Pag di mo inaasahang ikay. Dito na natin. Thank you! Keep on dropping, everyone! Thank you, Casey! Thank you, Caspi! Medyo paus pa ako eh. Let's go. Paano kung bigla na lamang I'll wrap my arms on your hips, baby, yeah. Pag di mo inaasahang I'll kiss you right on the lips, baby, yeah. Red needle love notes and I posted on your front door. Show up in suit and tie with the brooch and with the roses in your front yard. I want to do, yeah. Ang daming paraan, ikaw ang tanging dahilan. Oh babe, paharanahin kita. Saan man tayo magpunta, yung tipong kahit wala na. O kaya biglang may breakfast in this, just to keep you interested. Lahat ay dahil wala na. I just wanna do simple random things to say I love you. Thank you, Tasby. Thank you, kay Zerna. Pilit kang patatawanin kahit na ang sangit mo. Kahit di ganon kawangis, ika'y iguguhit ko. Oh, no. Let me take you to a private little island, baby, that's right. And maybe share a snack, then I like it, baby, I'll give you the last bite. Oh, yeah. Ang daming paraan, ikaw ang tanging dahilan. Oh, babe, aharanahin kita. Saan man tayo magpunta, yung tipong kahit wala na. O kaya may on-the-spot dinner date, and this time I won't be late. Lahat ay dahil wanna do simple random things to say I love you. Ayan, that's randomatic. Yes. Ang hirap pala kumanta
If you
pag
are in the
maos.
clothing business,
My God. Ba't ba naisipan kong kumanta? Nalimutan kong wala pala akong boses. Tumutulo pa isipon. Ganun talaga. Kailangan natin magpakota. Let's go. Alam nyo, bakit ako nagkaganito? Kakasigaw namin ni Bobo, hey, 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 hey. Ayan, ganito yung kinalabasan. Post tayo ngayon. Thank you! Thank you po. Thank you guys for dropping. Atrams, thank you. Thank you, Atrams. Hi, Cookie. Si Yuki nanggugulo. Naghahanap pa tayo. Thank you, Jaya. Thank you. Hi, Misra. Thank you. Yes, sana bukas okay na. Sana hindi siya mag-stick na ganito. Lagi na lang ganito, isipan ay gulong-gulo. Lagi na lang nabibigo, ngunit ikaw pa rin sigaw ng puso. Ilang liham na ang sinulat sa'yo, ilang luha na rin ang natuyo. Kailan kaya muling makakatawa? Hindi ko pinipilit, walang lungkot na sumisilip. Kailan kaya muling makakamit ang iyong yakap at halik nang hindi sa panaginip? Kailan ang dating tayo? Thank you, Roops. Kung Kailan kaya muling makakatawang? Hindi ko pinipili, walang lungkot na sumisilip. Kailan kaya muling makakamit ang iyong yakap at halik nang hindi sa panaginip? Ikaw ay magkasama't sabay tayong kakanta. Kailan kaya muling mararanasan sa pagdilat ng mata, ika'y hindi lang alaala. Thank you so much. That's Dating Tayo by TJ. So, habol tayo guys. Let's go for 1K. Paging, Baby Boost and Big Boost. Let's go. Kaya natin to guys. Papakota lang tayo kahit pause tayo. Nothing can outshine the dress that you wear. We should be dancing, 'cause girl, you look stunning. Let's spend the night together till reach the morning. Up and above, never enough. I wanna hold your hand and show what it's love. When you were smiling and when you were laughing, we should keep dancing to treasure the feeling like it's the old love. Thank you, love. This is the way that we both wanna feel. Under the moonlight we made our first kiss. 'Cause this is the moment that you made me feel like it's the old love. No. Come on and hold me, I want you right here. Stay close to me so you don't feel the fear. I'll never let go, 'cause I'm just right here. When I'm with you, it's like deja vu. I'll realize that dreams really come true. We keep on talking for the moment we live in. Let's keep drinking till the moon disappears. You are the one that I want, the one that will stay on my side till I'm gone. The love of my life, and I'll sacrifice just for the moment we last long forever, like it's the old love. This is the way that we both wanna feel. Under the moonlight we made our first kiss. 'Cause this is the moment that you made me feel like it's the old love. Come on and hold me, I want you right here. Stay close to me so you don't feel the fear. I'll never let go, 'cause I'm just right here. It's the old love. Oh, oh, oh. it's old love. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hindi ko po alam yung Die With A Smile. Pero if you want, pwede ko siya i-play for you. You'll be safe in my romance. Labels fading, but I see you craving for more. You're denying it, but you can control your actions. Keep me guessing, but don't keep me waiting for us. Oh, I live to appreciate you. Take all the love that I give. All that I wish is for you to take me. I taste the lies on your lips. I count the days while we're in love, 'cause I only met you when he's not around. Oh, but I live to appreciate you. Take all the love that I give. Got my heart on my sleeve. I'm begging the heavens to be good to me. Are you obsessive now? 'Cause I'm celebrating all your desires. I'll keep you wanting me more. If you, I'll keep you coming. I'm sure it's my love that got you suffocated. Oh, I live to appreciate you. Take all the love that I give. All that I wish is for you to take me. I taste the lies on your lips. I count the days when we're in love, 'cause I only met you when he's not around. Oh, but I live to appreciate you. Take all the love that I give. Take all the love that I give. You come over not too often. You don't visit 'cause you got more options. You come over not too often. You don't visit 'cause you got more options. Thank you so much. That's Take All the Love by Arthur Neri. Paano maging paos parang wala lang? Nyaw! Lumulok ka ng laway. Ganon. Primo, hindi ka na pumunta sa bar. Sabi mo pupunta ka. Busy ka na naman yata sa babae mo. Di pala yan, mababa. Ay, okay, sorry, Primo. Condolence. Si Pau Pau guys, yung ano, yung Beanie fan. I can think of all the times you told me not to touch the light. That you would be the one. Pinuhulaan ko lang. You really justify how you even thought it's bad. Lives will soon grow from the bareness of trees, and all will be alright in time. From waves overgrown from the calmness of trees, and all will be alright in time. Oh, you never really loved someone to forget. Thank you, epic girl. Thank you, coffee love. Hi, Pau Pau. Maria, thank you. Wait lang, hindi ko na kasi alam yan eh. Hanap tayo ng iba. Thank you, Maria, for the rose.
Hindi ganun ka-creamy? Skip na. I switched to Nescafe Creamy White. Creamy coffee like no other.
Thank you, Crazy. Brown guilty eyes and little white lies, yeah. hirap pala. Naligo pala si Sir. Thank you, Nanay LV. Thank you, Nanay LV. Hello, hello, mic test. Mic test, mic test. Hello, hello. Do you remember when we were young? You were always with your friends. Wanted to grab your hands and run away from them. I knew that it was time to tell you how I feel. So I made a move, I took her hand, my heart spilled out like I never felt before. I think you're the one I've never seen before. Na, 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 na. I want you to know I love you the most. I'll always be there right by your side. 'Cause baby, you're always in my mind. Just give me your forever. I want you to know that you'll be the one, that I'll be the guy who'll be on his knees to say I love you, and I need you, and say I die for you. I never knew it would be possible for you to be with me. 'Cause you love someone else back in '73. I was so jealous seeing you with him. Oh baby, I know that I can treat you better back on those nights. Thank you, Big Podessa. Oh, you wouldn't cry for me, stupid lies. I was still watching, wishing you to be mine. I want you to know I love you the most. I'll always be there right by your side. 'Cause baby, you're always in my mind. Just give me your forever. I want you to know that you'll be the one, that I'll be the guy who'll be on his knees to say I love you, and I need you, and say I die for you. Do you remember I was on the aisle waiting for you, babe? Saw you in your gown, I was crying all my tears. I told myself that you are the one. I want you to know I love you the most. I'll always be there right by your side. 'Cause baby, you're always in my mind. Just give me your forever. I want you to know that you'll be the one, and I'll be the guy who'll be on his knees to say I love you, and I need you, and say I die for you. Thank you, that's Give Me Your Forever. Nakanta ko na po yung sining. Thank you. Nagsastatic. Hello? Hello, mic test. Hello? Hello? Thank you, Nanay Elvia. Kailangan mong malaman kung kailan ka kailangan. Parang di na naranasan. Ikaw naman ang ipaglaban. Oh, bakit palagi sinasabi ang iyong sarili para sa iba? Naghahangat sa taong di babalik. Subukan mo namang magpahinga at dahan-dahang ihigaan ka. Tawan ang iyong malamang di ka nag-iisa. Halika na, di kailangan pilitin. Dahil para sa akin ika'y mahalaga. Mayroon ng puso, ngunit hindi mo nakikita ito. Kahit ba't tayo nasa sulong, di ka pa rin magpapasulong. Konting pilit pa ba ang kailangan? O sadyang di ako ang gusto? Konting silip naman sa aking nararamdaman sa'yo. At dahan-dahang ihigaan ka. Tawan ang iyong malamang di ka nag-iisa. Halika na, di kailangan pilitin. Dahil para sa akin ika'y mahalaga. Ika'y mahalaga. Thank you, Hadi. Thank you, Jonelyn. Thank you, Big Boo Jessen.
Dog?
Thank you po. Ito na si Bobo. Pogi. Nagsiskincare pa siya eh. Thank you, Hadi.
Covers PH.
Mga pangako ba'y sapat na upang muli tayo ipagtagpo ng hinaharap? Ba't papalalatirin naman? Thank you. Panghahawakan, ba't ba ipipilit kong di naman tayo sa isa't isa? Di ba sinta tayo? Dalawa lang noon para sa isa't isa. Ba't di sumaw ayaw sa ating panahon? Thank you, Honey Adderly. Thank you, Nanay Elvie. Thank you. Siguro may wala nang natira sa mga sinulat mo na para sa akin. Alam kong luha ang bumubura, ngunit hayaan mo na lang. Walang saysay ang panalangin ko kung di ako ang mahanapin mo. Kahit sigaw pa ang pagsamo ko sa'yo, bakit di mo damay to? Ba't ba papalalatirin naman? Panghahawakan, ba't ba ipipilit kong di naman tayo para sa isa't isa? Ba't tayo dalawa lang noon para sa isa't isa? Ba't di sumaw ayaw sa ating panahon? Thank you, Jodeline. Let's go. Thank you so much sa pagsamo. Thank you, Jodeline. Guys, bili na po kayo ng aming crispy pizza.
Diba mo naman eh. Isya na naman ito. Ako mataba naman ang baby na yun.
Maarte. Tama. Guys, bili na kayo ng aming crispy pizza. Parang gusto ko ng pagkain.